Today we're going to show you how to turn the ice maker off in your Whirlpool French door refrigerator. Here's the model number of the refrigerator we have. To get access to the indoor ice bin, you're going to want to open the cover. So you just slide up and that releases the door. And here's the removable ice bin. And you'll come right over here. And you'll see there is an on-off switch. So we're going to turn it to off. So it covers that little sensor and the ice machine is off. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs and please subscribe.